Radon is a radioactive gas. It comes from the natural decay of uranium that is found in nearly all soils. Because radon is the #1 cause of lung cancer in non-smokers, it is important to test your home. This video will walk you through the radon testing process in 3 simple steps: prep, test, ship. First, prep your home. At least 12 hours before starting your test, close all exterior doors and windows and keep them closed during the entire test. You, of course, can open and close exterior doors to come and go. Just don't prop doors open or have windows open during the test. If you don't follow this, your test results will not be accurate. Central air or heating can be used as normal with the fan on auto. Swamp coolers cannot be used during the test. If you have a swamp cooler, test your home in a colder month when it isn't being used. Also, avoid using exhaust fans during the test, and if severe weather is in the forecast, wait until it is passed before testing. Step 2. Test for 48 to 96 hours. Once your home has been prepped for the test, you'll need to place the test in the lowest potentially livable level of your home, even if it's an unfinished space. A bedroom or common living area is ideal. Do not place the test in a bathroom, kitchen, closet, furnace room, crawl space, near heating or air conditioning vents, or any location where air will constantly flow over it. The test will need to be placed on a chair or table that is 20 to 36 inches above the floor, a minimum of 12 inches from exterior walls, 3 feet from windows, and 6 inches from any other object. Now you can start the test. Twist the top of the testing unit until it pops up. Your test has now officially begun. Write down the date and time you started the test on the provided radon test data sheet, and set a reminder on your phone to stop the test in 48 hours. After 48 hours have passed, push the test top down and twist until snug. This stops the test. Write down the date and time you ended the test on the radon test data sheet. Run the test for a minimum of 48 hours and a maximum of 96 hours. Tests that run more than 96 hours cannot be processed. Step 3. Ship your test to the lab. Place the test and the radon test data sheet in the provided mailer with the prepaid shipping label and seal it. Mail the radon test promptly, within 1 to 2 days after finishing the test, because it is time sensitive. The lab will not analyze your test if it is mailed more than a few days after finishing. Once the lab receives your radon test, they will provide the test results via email. You can plan on the results being emailed to you within 7 to 14 business days. If the test results indicate elevated or high radon levels, we can provide you with helpful information and a free, no-obligation quote to fix it. That's it. If you have any questions or need help with the testing process, call us at 801-871-0715.